reason I dare to secretly keep a cat without my landlord knowing is because there's truly not a single strand of fur in my home. Anyone who owns a cat knows that no matter how much you supplement their diet, they'll still shed like crazy. Instead of spending a fortune on that, why not rely on our own money-making hands? This grooming brush I have has curved teeth, each covered with 208 smooth beads, designed to prevent skin irritation and hair tangling. While grooming, it massages the cat, which they really enjoy. It gathers up all that loose fur and debris, leaving it clean and tidy from the source. No more fuss over cat hair in the house.